Saginaw Valley State University implemented their RN-BSN program at least 15 years ago. Right now we have a couple community colleges where we have articulation agreements, and it allows these students to be able to work towards their associate degree nursing at the community college while obtaining coursework towards their bachelor's degree.
More opportunities within the nursing field. They can go into management positions, case management type things. These hospitals and organizations are looking for people. It'll specifically state that they have to have a BSN to apply for these jobs.
The community college approach helped teach me how to go to college to be successful in a university setting. And then the university gave me the backbone to my education to strive for success.
Kirtland does a fantastic job preparing their nurses in their area for an associate degree practice. With this partnership, Saginaw Valley and Kirtland put together a program where these students are able to get that baccalaureate level education to assure that they are successful at the university level in obtaining that Saginaw Valley State University degree.
As an ER nurse, I currently help with critical care patients. I watch miracles happen every day where we bring somebody back to life or they survived a tragic accident. I have an excitement that I am about to save lives, that I am about to be the smiling face on somebody's worst day. And it is such a reward to be able to serve my community that way.
I think a lot of people like to stay kind of where they grew up and things like that, but there are those that like to venture out, and some have even went out of state.
It is a privilege to be able to have a small part of such a big role. That is what I pride myself on the most about being a part of a small community.
We have found over the years that nurses who are educated, especially at the baccalaureate level, are just sought after. Baccalaureate preparation allows our nurses a little bit more variety in choosing what avenue or path they'd like to go. At this point, if you are interested in nursing, there is a job for you. There are nurse leaders who are looking for people who have the passion and the compassion to be able to work at the bedside.